Hello and welcome to Ramsport. Today we present you with this wonderful vehicle currently for sale, a Series 2A Land Rover that has recently undergone a partial restoration. Let's dive into the details. This 1961 short wheelbase model has been lovingly worked with great attention to detail. Allow me to walk you through the extensive work that's been carried out. First and foremost, a new galvanised chassis has been fitted, ensuring a solid foundation for this classic Land Rover. The bulkhead has been expertly repaired, restoring its structural integrity. The body of the vehicle, on the other hand, has been left to retain its authentic and used appearance, giving it a charming vintage character that enthusiasts will appreciate. Moving on to the interior, brand new seats have been installed, providing both comfort and durability. A new wiring loom ensures reliable electrical connections throughout the vehicle, which has been routed correctly through the chassis. The lights have been replaced for the original glass Lucas items, which replaced the plastic previously used, maintaining the vehicle's authenticity and ensuring proper illumination on your journey. The Land Rover has been treated to a fresh coat of paint. The body is finished in a stunning deep bronze green, while the wheels match the body colour, creating a cohesive and eye-catching look. The chassis has been gloss blacked and the engine has been beautifully finished in Land Rover blue. To ensure optimal performance, the suspension has undergone a thorough overhaul. The brake and clutch system have been recommissioned, addressing both mechanical and hydraulic components. The brightwork on the vehicle has been carefully removed and re-galvanised, adding a touch of elegance and protection. The Land Rover has been meticulously reassembled and is now ready to be enjoyed as intended. This Series 2A Land Rover stands proud, showcasing the incredible craftsmanship and dedication that went into its rebuild. It's now eagerly awaiting a new owner, someone who appreciates its timeless design and is ready to embark on new adventures. To find out more information on this vehicle or any other vehicle we have for sale, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact details can be found in the description down below. We look forward to hearing from you and wish you all the best in your search for your dream vehicle.